For years, long-standing businesses have succeeded by sticking with what works. The old chain of spreadsheets, shared inboxes, and access databases you use for tracking jobs and scrap and quotes. Today, it's a liability. Spreadsheet errors alone cost anywhere from a few thousand to $6 billion. And companies like yours lose hours every week to data entry tasks that should be automated. Spreadsheets feel like a solution, but are silent company killers. The moment you see how easily today's tech can automate your workloads, everything changes. A few simple inputs, all your numbers, all your data, no admin, no mistakes. Here is a real spreadsheet disaster. Mike bought a business and found it was dying due to a 100,000 row spreadsheet they used for tracking orders and costs. If one person was sick or one number was wrong, jobs stopped, and customers were disappointed. Using Microsoft 365, we gave him one place to track jobs, costs, deadlines, and performance. His first improvement, a 30% boost in on-time delivery. Now, let's discuss triggers. Have you heard these before? What's the status of my order? How do I return this? When will it ship? These questions disrupt you and your clients. Now imagine answering them without any work. Automatic status emails keep customers informed for free. Our client Andy, a customer service manager, implemented automatic status updates and watched calls and emails drop by 40%. It saved $60,000 a year. And now, AI automation can process your shared inboxes to answer regular questions for you. When customers find you easy to buy from and easy to work with, they stick with you. Today, 67% of customers prefer self-service to get their answers and tasks done faster without waiting for you. Roy learned this after contracts kept getting lost across laptops and email threads. A simple self-service portal prevents this and other disasters. For him, question and task-related emails and phone calls dropped 80%, saving nearly $25,000 a year in time and admin expenses, not to mention what his clients saved. Automation, proactive communication, and self-service with a little AI spice. 3 simple systems that will take you to a new place. These are effective and reliable systems smart companies use and systems we implement successfully.
Ready for more? Click on the link in the description below or type in the link on the slide yourself and get 3 easy do-it-yourself steps that will help you build a better business.